Hi guys, this is Wilson from Resort Pool. So today we want to talk about is the waterproofing, water stop. So for your concrete pool, because normally concrete they will cast the floor first, floor slab, then only they cast the wall, concrete wall. So if you have two casts, most likely the joint between the two casts will have the leakage. We have leakage onto the side wall. So ultimately you need a water stop. So this water stop is to install between the slab and the wall. So the concrete slab will be cast until here. Here will be cast until the concrete slab, this part. So let's say your slab is this thick, then you must put this water stop, this area. And then these small holes is to use the steel wire to ikat, to tie at the steel bar, a steel bar side to tie to make it secure. You cannot tie sideways, you cannot make it crumple, you must make it straight, tie it straight. So when the concrete come also, it will lay straight, or else it will crumple, it will collapse, which is not good. So this part here to cast in the concrete floor first, slab first. After that, then the top part here will be cast with a concrete wall. If you don't have this, and then you just install with, you just cast the first, and the next time you cast with the wall, most likely the water will seep out from the joint, that part. Then you have a water leaking issue already. So, but this item come with only 20 meters. So how you extend if your pool side is like 40 meters? So you need two gulong. But how you join it is you cannot join this way. You cannot join with another water stop with this is wrong. So you must join with the line at least 6 inch or more. Okay, so you must find here. Okay, so this one and this one, another layer you must put here. You must put here with the same hole. You must put it together. Then you need to extend further. So the same two holes you must tie together on the steel bar. Steel bar tie together, make it very secure. Then only when the concrete comes, it will be very strong enough to hold. If it's too short like that, it's no good. You must at least around 8 inch, 8 inch or more. Only then it will be strong to extend the next layer of the water stop. So this is the one method that you use for the concrete water stop solution. Okay. The second one you can use is also this type. This type is a swellable water stop. So let's say you forget to use this, you already cast the floor, but then now you want to install this. No way ready to install for the concrete slab. So you have to use this swellable water stop. So this swellable water stop is this type of swellable. It will bengkak lah. It will become bigger in size after touch with water. So this one also you put in between of the two steel bar, steel layer, then only you cast with the wall. So let's say this is the concrete floor already cast, no water stop. So this one you just have to lay like that. And this layer will be the first layer in between the two layers, the steel wall layer 1 and steel wall layer 2. And you cast between the floor, and then only it will have a proper waterproofing solution. Yeah. So for this swellable water stop, how you make the continuous joint, because this one is only 5 meters. So if you want to extend for this swellable water stop joint, you gotta do like this. So this one is here. Okay. Then another one will be like here. You put on it. You cannot join like this. Like this is wrong. Or you must put at least like 4 inch. 4 inch. So the steel bar on the wall, the first layer is going to be here, the second layer is here. This one will be in the middle. This is the right joint. Okay. If you need more inquiry, you can call us also. Thanks.